got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
So I'm out baling hay finally off 4 hours because all this week we've done a lot of hay. I think we've done around, after we've done all our hay, I think we would have done around 1,000 bales of hay, which is nice to see that the season's here and that hay season to go and that haymaking has started and it's probably finished now, well for us, for this year anyway. But we finally got around to doing our own. We've been doing most of it's been for contracting and there's been a lot of crops around. Most of the time we usually leave ours till after because we like doing all of our customers first so everyone's happy. But anyway, all the hay's done now. What I'm baling up now, we don't rent it off them, we just take the grass off just to tidy the place up really. And it's organic hay, it is. We don't feed it at all. It just gets cut off once, sometimes twice a year, just to tidy it up. And yeah, it's usually our hay fields, if I'm honest. There's 2 fields here, and they're usually the hay fields because they usually get cut in the nice time of the summer. They've been tedded out once or twice, I think, but they haven't really needed to be tedded out much because they've been down for a while, and also the sun's been baking them as well, so definitely haven't needed them being tedded out too much, otherwise they'd be like straw. But anyway, I've nearly finished here. I think the next job on the to-do list is getting the combine out and starting combining, I think, so. But anyway, that's the next job. I'll catch you in a bit, hopefully combining.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing down the sky. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change it. Goodbye. There's nothing I can it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
So that was all of the hay all baled up now. Big tick in the box for the hay. We didn't think we were going to get much hay done, but we got it all done, which is good. And as you can see, we're out in the combine, and finally the fields are ready and everything's working. We've got grain in the tank, quite a bit of grain in the tank flowing in, and we've also got GPS working. It took us a while to find out what we had to do, but we've got GPS working. We've got header so it adjusts, so it drops it down to the right height we want it at. So basically sleeping, it's just sitting back and making sure it's not scuffing the ground, which is crazy. It's this technology, it's amazing. You wouldn't think that it could do this stuff, but it's spot on. And this field has got quite a low electric lines in it, so everyone's been watching it throughout the day, making sure the tank isn't skimming or anything, but it's got plenty of space. And before we plough it up now, we're going to get the electricity people to move the poles up, so we're definitely passing them easily. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what next video is going to be. I was thinking it might be combining, but I don't think it will be, because we're forecasting another, I think it's a week of showers, unless the forecast changes, which would be brilliant. But I think we're forecast a week of showers. Anyway, hopefully we do get a bit of sun to keep going. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. If you're not already, subscribe and ring that bell next to the subscribe button so you know when I upload a video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.